Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll do a whole wheat tandoori roti in a normal pan. Take 2 cups of wheat flour. Add required amount of salt and we are going to add curd little by little and we are going to make it into a dough. This is 3 by 4 cup of curd. Add the curd little by little and give a nice mix, and if you feel the curd is not enough, add some water and make it into a soft dough. I'm going to use the normal gas stove flame to prepare this roti and I'm using a non-stick pan for this. Using non-stick tawa is not a compulsion. You can use any kind of tawa, and if it has a handle, it will be a better choice. If you have an iron dosa tawa, it will be a preferable choice. Knead this well to get a soft dough. Almost our dough is ready. We are going to cover it with a wet cloth and let this sit for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, dust some flour, take the dough out. Knead for another 2 to 3 minutes. Kneading part is over. Next we are going to divide the dough. Your ball should be somewhat bigger than the normal roti. Now let us roll it. Roll it as thin as possible. This is thin and fine. Next we are going to spread some ghee. Spread some ghee and dust some flour. We are going to fold this so it should not stick together. That's why we are using ghee and flour. Folding part is over. Next we are going to roll it. You should not lose the folding, so just be careful. Don't make it so thin. On this we are going to spread some sesame seeds. This is white sesame seeds, and these seeds has to stick on the dough, so just roll it once. Now turn this and apply some water. Spread the water evenly. We are going to stick this roti on a hot tawa. Turn the pan now and cook the roti in the direct flame. You have to cook this for around 10 to 15 seconds and make sure the flame touches only the roti. The other side you have to cook properly, and once the other side is cooked, you can take it out. Our tandoori roti is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.